Boo! Did I scare you? Huh? Did I? Probably not. It's not Halloween. It's Christmas! Woohoo! I want to say Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. Tell me in the comments what you get. I'll be sure to reply. Now, here are the updates. For LPS in the Eyes of a Werewolf, I was thinking about canceling it, but I decided not to because, well, I like making it. And, well, I kind of messed Jake's eye up. As for LPS Little White Lies, you see, I lost the main character and, well, I just can't seem to find her. And I'm putting it on hold anyway, because I messed up in the script and I have to redo that one. And, so yeah. Oh, and I don't think I'll film In the Eyes of a Werewolf soon because the lighting sucks, and the only reason why it's good now is because I'm filming on the windowsill. So, yeah. So yeah, is that a deal? Is it? Well, if it's not, then I'm sorry. But if it is, thanks. Anyway, thanks again for subbing to me, and have a Merry Christmas. Thank you.